Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Ray and I make natural hair videos and other videos in between. When you get the chance, please check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote oil line from The Main Choice. This is what my hair is looking like before I start the video. We need to fix it. So I'll be starting off by co-washing with the conditioner. All of these products are infused with biotin and vitamins A, B, C, and D, so I'm a huge fan, and tons of oils. As you can see, my hair already looks great after just using the conditioner. Next, I'll be going in with the hair mask. It was really lightweight, and I feel like I had to use a lot to get the results that I wanted. You guys know that I'm a fan of thick products, but either way, this product did what it needed to do as a hair mask, and I really liked it anyway. Aside from that, all of these products are really great as they support natural hair growth and retention. They nourish dry, brittle hair from the inside out, help to prevent and repair cuticle damage, restore the hair's natural condition and deliver shine, makes the hair feel soft and reduces frizz. It's loaded with fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, and tons of oils to include but are not limited to Kalahari oil, Oyster oil, Mangongo oil, and Baobab oil, which are all geared towards hair growth and retention. So now that I've applied the product to all of my hair and twisted it up, I'm going to go ahead and pin it out of the way and leave it on for 20 minutes, and then I'll get back to you guys. So these are the results after washing out the hair mask, and as you can see, my hair is super moisturized. It looks healthy, it's shiny, and it feels great to the touch, guys. Lastly, I'll be applying the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. This deeply penetrates to protect and repair damaged cuticles. It instantly hydrates and moisturizes, helps to minimize damage and breakage, and the list goes on, guys. I really enjoyed all of these products. They were all very lightweight, which I'm not a fan of, but they did get the job done. This leave-in lotion was very lightweight, but it did get the job done. It helped to make my hair super moisturized, especially considering that I'm coming from really dry and breaking hair. All of these products made my hair extremely soft and moisturized. If your hair looked like mine at the beginning of this video, I definitely recommend incorporating all three of these products into your wash day. This will serve as a really good base for styling. You don't have to style with the rest of this line, but I do recommend using these products if you are struggling with breakage and your hair is damaged, dry, and brittle. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!